So in triangle, ACP, okay, in triangle ACP is a right angle triangle. In triangle ACP, okay, that means in triangle ACP, the right angle triangle, okay, at C angle C is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree, okay. So using, that means SCB is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, okay. So at angle C is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. That means SC is hypotenuse. So AP the whole square equal to, so AP square equal to AC square plus CP square, okay, AC square plus CP square, okay. So AP means R1, so R1 square, AC is equal to AC, the distance is L sin theta, AC is L sin theta, so L sin theta whole square plus PC. So PC is how much? So PC equal to, so PC equal to R, PC is equal to OP minus PC OC, okay. So PC equal to OP minus OC, okay. So PC is equal to OP distance, O to P, the distance is R, okay, R minus OC is equal to L cos theta, okay. So PC equal to R minus L cos theta whole square, okay. So that means R square plus L square sin square theta plus A minus 0 whole square, this one is A minus 0 whole square, that is R square plus L square cos square theta minus 2 RL cos theta, okay. So RL cos theta, so R1 square equal to L square sin square theta plus L square cos square theta plus R square minus 2 RL cos theta, okay. So R1 square equal to, now taking common, L square is common, so L and L is, so L is taking common, now sin square theta plus cos square theta plus R square minus 2 RL cos theta, okay. So we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, okay. So that means R1 square equal to L square plus R square 2 RL cos theta, okay, 2 RL cos theta. Now taking common R square on RHS side, so R1 square taking common R square, so 1 plus L square by R square minus 2 RL cos theta, okay. but L square much less than R square. So L square, that is the length of dipole, L is the length per dipole, is very small. Okay, that means, so implies that L square by R square can be neglected, okay. So now this factor neglected, L square by R square, because R is very large, means L square by R square goes to 0, but not equal to 0. L square by R square goes to 0. So R1 square equal to R square 1 minus 2 RL cos theta. Okay. Now taking square root on both sides. So R1 equal to R whole of 1 minus 2 LR cos theta to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Now using binomial theorem. 1 minus x to the power n is approximately 1 minus nx. Okay, the higher order can be neglected. Okay, now using this formula, so R1 equal to R 1 minus 2LR so taking common divided by R square. Okay, so R square taking common means 1 plus L square by R square taking common, so that means R square is also R square. Okay, by R square cos theta into n is 1 by 2. So 2 we got, 1 R will be cancel. So R1 equal to R times 1 minus 2 L cos theta by R. Okay, now R multiply R minus L R cos theta by R. So R will cancel. So R1 is equal to R minus L cos theta by L cos theta. Okay, this one equation number 4. Okay, now in triangle, this triangle, now in triangle DPB, this triangle DB and P, in triangle DBP is a right angle triangle, yes or no? DBP, so D is 90 degree, DB and P, so right angle triangle. Okay, now using the Pythagoras theorem, so Pythagoras theorem is BD, yes or no? At D is 90 degree means BP is your hypotenuse, so BP square is, BP is the hypotenuse, so BP is hypotenuse, BP square equal to PD square plus BD square, so BP square equal to PD square plus BD square. So BP is equal to R2 square PD. PD is equal to how much? So PD, yes or no? This one is PD equal to your OD plus OP whole square plus BD. BD is equal to L sin theta. Okay, the BD is L sin theta. So L sin theta whole square. Okay, the bid is L sin theta whole square. So R2 square equal to OD. O to D, the distance is L cos theta, so is equal to L cos theta plus OP. O to P, the distance is R, so R whole square plus L sin theta whole square. Okay, so R2 square equal to L square cos square theta, so A plus B whole square form plus R square plus 2 L LR cos theta plus L square sin square theta. Okay, R2 equal to, so L square, now taking common here, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus R square plus 2 LR cos theta. Okay, but we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so R2 square is equal to L square plus R square plus 2 LR cos theta. Okay, 2 LR cos theta. Similarly, now taking common R square, so R2 square is equal to, taking common R square, L square by R square plus 1 plus 2 L R cos theta by R square. Okay, now R2 square equal to R square 1 plus L square by R square plus 2 L cos theta, so 1 R cancel R. But okay, L square much less than R square, so L square by R square goes to 0. Okay, that means this factor is 0 because L is very small but R is very large, but small by large quantity it goes to 0. Okay, so R2 square equal to R square 1 plus 2L cos theta by R. Okay, now taking square root on both sides, so that is R2 equal to R whole of 1 plus 2L cos theta by R to the power 1 by 2. Now using binomial theorem, now using the binomial theorem, 1 plus x to the power n approximately 1 plus nx. Yes or no? Approximately 1 plus nx. Higher order term can be neglected. Okay, that means R2 equal to R whole of 1 plus 2L cos theta by 2 into R. Okay, 2 to cancel, so R2 equal to R plus L cos theta by R, so R cancel, so you got R plus L cos theta. That means R2 is equal to R plus L cos theta. Let equation number be 5. Now putting the values of R1 and R2 in equation 3. Now putting value of R1, R2 in equation 3 we get. So our equation 3 is V equal to KQ whole of 1 minus R1 minus 1 minus R2. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Now we have to substitute value of R1 and R2 in this equation. So V equal to KQ Okay, 1 by r1, value of r1 is r minus l cos theta minus value of r2 is r plus l cos theta, r plus l cos theta. Okay, now taking LCM. Okay, now taking LCM, so V is equal to KQ, taking LCM is r minus l cos theta, r plus l cos theta. Now r plus l cos theta minus of r minus l cos theta. Okay, this equation. Now the potential V is equal to KQ whole of r plus l cos theta minus r. Now minus multiply inside the bracket, so this one is a plus l cos theta divided, so this one is a square minus b square, r square minus l square cos square theta. Okay, so r will cancel. We get KQ 2l cos theta by r square minus l square cos square theta. Okay, now potential equal to KQ into 2l cos theta divided r square minus l square cos square theta. Okay, the potential V equal to, the potential V is equal to K Q into 2L, that is dipole moment, is P cos theta divided r square minus l square cos square theta. Okay, so dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2L. So dipole moment, nothing but dipole moment. Okay, so V is equal to Kp cos theta. Now taking r square, 1 minus l square by r square cos square theta. Okay, cos square theta, but l square by r square is much less than 1. Okay, that means l square by r square cos square theta can be neglected. So V is equal to Kp cos theta divided by r square. Okay, in vector form, so V is equal to K P vector dot r vector divided by r q. Okay.